Alright, take 3. Getting plenty of power to the battery, so can't see why it won't start. See, here we go again. Bit of a spray, and just wants to go. So close, so close. I'm gonna sit the phone down. Sorry, I'm filming on a potato. Let me just get this right. Yeah. A little bit of revs. Start mastered. Whoa. Don't do that. 4 revs. It's pretty cold this morning. Alright, let's try again. A little bit of smoke on the old starter, but that's fine. Give it a wriggle. Jump leads are pretty stuffed. Not real good at this YouTube thing, so I'll put my phone somewhere. Probably just back where I had it, because I'm filming off a Nokia 3310, so bear with me. Way. A little bit of smoke, but that'll clear up. Let that warm up for a bit. Should just chug away nicely. Alright. So she's got 3 shank rippers. Come off a draught. Pretty new chains, undercarriage, good ball blade and tree spear. Does the job. Cleared this 30 days ago. Pushed everything down there. Sweet as.